Good afternoon, room 23. Today we're going to talk about how to find equivalent fractions using multiplication. First off, I'm going to ask you a question, and for this question you will need a piece of paper. So please hit pause, and when you come back, you're going to be answering it for your homework for tomorrow. Go get that paper. Okay, glad you're back. Here's the question. Jamal has 2 quarters. Sam has 5 dimes. Sam has 5 dimes. Hunter has 10 nickels, and Elliot has 50 pennies. I want you to write a fraction to show what part of $1 each person has. Then I want you to tell me who has the most money. That's your assignment for tonight. Put it on a piece of paper and bring it in tomorrow. All right, moving on. Welcome back. Here we are with a fraction ready to talk about how to find equivalencies. You see here a model of 2/3. Our whole has 1, 2, 3 pieces. 2 of them are shaded in. Now, what I'm going to do is split this block in half. Now my whole has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So we're talking about sixths. How many pieces are now shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my fraction now is 4 sixths. Has the amount of the rectangle changed? I want you to put this part in your comments. Has the amount shaded in the rectangle changed? In the beginning, it was 2/3. But when I drew the line, it became 4 sixths. Go ahead and make your comments now. Moving on. So what we know is that 4 sixths is equivalent to 2/3. Let's try something else. I'm going to erase these fractions though. What if I split this rectangle into more pieces? I'm going to draw 2 more lines. Now you can see that my rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces, so my denominator is going to be 12. How many pieces are shaded now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces shaded. Has the amount of my rectangle, the shaded part of my rectangle, changed? It has not, which tells me that 8/12 is equal to 4 sixths, which is the fraction we had before, as well as 2/3, the fraction we began with. Those are equivalent fractions. We're going to try it with another fraction just now. All right, here we are again. 2/3 we know is equal to 4 sixths, and we know that 2/3 is equal to 8/12. But how do we do that without drawing a fraction box? Well, one thing I do know is that I can move from 2 to 4 by multiplying it by 2. I have multiplied my numerator by 2 to get this new one. I know that I can move from 2 to 8 by multiplying it by 4. Take a look at its denominator. I hope you've noticed the pattern that if you do something to the numerator, like multiply it by 2, you must also do it to the denominator, and you will get an equivalent fraction. So if I multiply 3 times 4, I will get 12 and an equal fraction. If I do it to the numerator, I have to do it to the denominator, so I'm going to multiply 3 by 12 and get 36. Now we know that 24/36 is also an equivalent fraction to 2/3.